So you pay salaries every month, but you cannot see what actually happens on the screens. Many small business owners ask themselves, can I just look over the shoulders remotely without interrupting any work? And this is what I will show you here in this video, how to live screen monitoring works in practice on company computers. Yeah? So no complicated IT projects, no extra hardware, just a browser and a small piece of software called Wolfeye Remote Screen. Before you use this kind of software, please make sure if you in your country and for your specific use case are allowed to use computer monitoring software like Wolfeye. Please take legal advice before using any of these kind of software. So let's start. If you wanted to see the live computer screens remotely of your company's computer, you must install a very small piece of software on each of the company's computer called Wolfeye. So you install Wolfeye on each of the computers in a way that I will show you also in this video, very fast, 1-minute installation. And after you install it on each computer, you receive a link that you can open on your browser to your dashboard. This is the demo dashboard. That's why the password is displayed here. You log into the dashboard. 12345 is the demo dashboard, so you could also visit this website and try it out. Log into it, and we'll see for each of the computers that you have installed Wolfeye on the live computer screen. In this case, 5 computers have been installed with Wolfeye Remote Screen. And live computer screen means the following. It is a screenshot saved every 2 to 3 seconds. Yeah? Not saved, but uploaded to the server, because no screenshots are saved to the server. It is more so that it is like a stream. You see the live screen, but there will be no savings on the server. So you will see it remotely here on your dashboard. In this case, this is the demo dashboard. That's why you see only these pictures, these dummy pictures here. But in reality, you will, for each of the computers, you will see the live screen. Okay. So you then have some options here. You could change the design of the dashboard to 2 columns, so you see bigger screens, or to 3 columns, so you see more screen. And you could also tell us if you wanted to have some other settings here, and we enable it or we put it into your dashboard. Also, you could take a closer look at one particular screen. So for example, live here, you right mouse click on this screen and open in a new tab. Open in a new tab and see that particular screen in much bigger screen. So you see exactly what happens there in live, yeah? In real time, so to speak, in real time. And also, you can, I said, no data is saved to the server except if you wanted to save screenshots every 5 minutes. You can enable it. You have to tell us, write us an email. And in that case, where you read here history for each of the screens, you could right mouse click, open in a new tab, and we'll see every 5 minutes a screenshot saved. You will see the screenshot history here. This is demo pictures, of course, because this is demo dashboard, but that's how it works basically. So if you would like to see it in live, so to speak, at work, come to our website, wolfeye.co, wolfeye.co, put it in English, of course, and just come here, hit 40 days free trial. And here you can book a live demo with me. It will be with Google Meet, a live demo. And book a live demo because you better select the date here. You choose a date, you choose a time, because that will, and your time zone, that will take into account that we both might be in different time zones. I am in Germany, for example. You might be in Mexico, I don't know, in Peru. And we will be in different times, so that will take it. What will happen in this demo session? Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and I will send you the link to my dashboard, not to the demo dashboard, to my particular dashboard. You will access the dashboard and will see my live screen on that dashboard so that you exactly see and feel how it really works. That's the first step. The second step, if you would like to go a step further, we can install Wolfeye Remote Screen on 1 or 2 of your computers or on all, you decide. I will guide you through the installation process, and that will allow you to make the installation for for your remaining computers by yourself, because it's very, very fast, very easy. I will demonstrate it in this video. So we install it. I sent you the download link to Wolfeye Remote Screen, and you install it on your computer, so to speak, so that you can test it for a few days, for a few weeks, okay? So I said it's very fast installation. It really is. It really is. I will demonstrate it. Basically, I send you the download link. You go then to your download folder, and this is how it looks like. This is the file that you downloaded, the Wolfeye setup file. And the only thing you must do on the computer that you want to install, you double click the file and hit on install. First the installation wizard opens, and you hit on install. You hit on install and it installs. And then you hit on finish and it launches Wolfeye Remote Screen. That's it. It calls itself kernel.